Welcome to Management 3788, Business Applications Development. I'm glad you signed up for the course. We've got a new version this semester where we're converting the course all to web development tools from some of the previous tools used. My name is Ken Walsh. I'll be your instructor for the course. One of the first questions I usually get about this course is, do I need a lot of computer programming experience? And I would say no. We're going to teach this like an introductory course, and we'll start right from the beginning. So in fact, I will start with some general introduction to the architecture of the web, and then we'll go on to just the beginnings of the languages and get you started off. The textbook for the course, and let me say I have a copy here. The textbook for the course is pretty readable, so I think it's not really going to be a problem. It is written for a beginning student. One of the things you do need for this course, though, is kind of an interest in delving into the details of the languages used on the web. So we won't be using graphical tools to create the web pages for us. We'll be digging into the underlying languages and the syntax of those languages. So that just means you have to be detail oriented. But we are going to start those from the beginning, so that shouldn't be too much of a problem. The reason we do this is to give you a better background on what's going on the architecture of the web. Because when you just use a graphical tool, you won't be able to go in behind the scenes and modify it when that tool doesn't do just the right thing. Or if you need to use multiple tools together, you might have to do stuff manually in the background. Or if you want to create something new, different, that's not pre-programmed into those tools, sometimes you have to do that manually as well. And finally, what I want to do is give you just a little bit of a warning, right? Because this is a detail-oriented online course, and so one of the things you need to remember is to just really be proactive at looking at the calendar and knowing where we are, what is due, and things like that. And because I don't see you very often, you need to tell me when you're stuck or have a question, anything at all. Just let me know, send me an email. To help you out a little bit with that, you'll see on the calendar for the course that we have some face-to-face meetings that are optional, but if you want to just talk about something, we can come in and meet at those times. So there's a few of those over the course of the semester. So that's kind of basically the introduction. If you have any questions, definitely email me, get in touch. But I think it should be a fun summer course. Thanks, and we'll see you online, and probably in the next couple of weeks we'll see you face to face. Have fun.